the down move, and then we have what? An up move, right? So we have downtrend and uptrend. Now, one terminology you have to also know is that whenever the market is moving down, we call it a bearish market. Okay, it's called bearish market, or a downtrend. And then when it's going up, it is called bullish market.
The word again.
Bearish market when the market is going down, and then bullish market when the market is going up. You understand?
Okay.
That's the name. That's the name we call it. So this is a bullish market. This is a bullish market, and then this is what? A bearish market. So this is how it looks like. So we have a bearish market, and then what? A bullish market. So before the trend change, we have a change of character here, and the market moves up. Now, when you look into this, you see that the higher low, the lower high that was created here, but this up movement, the market moving from this low to this high, and then came down. This low took over this high, created a new high which is above what this high. So we have a change of character. The market came down a little bit and then move up, and then keep on going down and up that way. So that's how the market changes what its course. Right, let's look at some other example. Now look at here. So the market changed from going south up and then came down, right? So when you look at it, the market created this high, came down, went up again, came down, and then created this high, just almost the same as this place, came down and then took over here. So this was the place that the market changed its direction. So it changed somewhere here called change of character. Okay, change of character, and the market started what going down. So I'm going to clean all my chart again. Let me take a picture of this and send to you. Or copy an image. So I'm going to clean it now. Let me clean it totally. All right. So we're going to look at how it looks like. So this is going to be what you should be doing on your phone to be finding out this pattern, okay, all the time. So the market in this condition, let me go back and then start over from here, right? So the market was, I'm going to cut it, okay, and see how you can identify it when the market is moving. This one, the market has already developed everything, so it's easy to find out. So I'm going to start right from here, right? So we are going to mark it by using our and see how the market is moving, right? So I'm going to play it. So it's going to behave as if it's a live market. So we have this low, creating this high, market came down, created this high, came down, created this high, and it came all the way down here, created this high. All right, so let's see what happens currently. So it's still going down. So you see this low has been taken off. The market has taken away this high. It created a lower, which is lower than this one. So I'm going to pause it. All right, so what do you see? We have this market creating a high, came down, created a high, came down, created a high, came down, and then suddenly you said this low is lower than this one, right? Are you following?
Yes.
So it's that this low that was created is lower than this one. So this is what we call the change of character. It's happening right here when the market went below it. So we have a change of character happening here. Okay, now let's see what happens. So the market created a new low, now started going up, went up, it kept going up.
Oh, a question.
Wait, hold on before you ask the question. Hold on.
Okay.
So now it totally broke the low now, right? So we have this low being created, right? Okay. Ask the question.
When from the um when it was taking the uptrend
Mm-hmm.
and it the point at which it went down started going downtrend.
Mm-hmm.
Is that also can we also say it's a market structure shift?
Yes, the change of character. This is also market structure shift or a change of character, right?
Oh, okay,
Any name you
okay.
give it is correct. So it's just changing its course from an uptrend toward a downtrend.
Oh,
So
okay.
so it has changed totally to a downtrend and then it keep on going. Let's see what happens. So we don't know what is happening going to happen in the future, but we are just playing it and to see. So let's see, we have a low here being created. Market went up. Let's see whether to create a new low. Right. So it keep on moving. Now it's creating a new low. So it means that this market created this high. Okay. And then created this low. You see how it is moving. So the downtrend is being well defined. The market is what? Trending nicely. So if this move that is coming down go below this one, then we take this high as a new high, a lower high. So it has created a new high because the low here is lower than what this one. So it's going down. Now we'll see when it will start to reverse. Now I keep on pushing down. Now it's going up. So we have a new low being created. The market is pushing up now. Now it started coming down. If it comes down and take over this low, then we have a new what low created. But right now, you see this high here. Has the market reached there? Not yet, right? It started coming down. So we have a new low, lower high being created. It keeps going. Now our eye should be on this high and then this low. That is what you do. See how it has taken over this one. Now it's almost above it, but you didn't cross it. Started coming down. Now it has gone below this one, right? It has gone below this low. But let's see whether it will reverse or it will go beyond it. Let's see what happens. Now see, you see it has taken over this place, right? So we have this low being created, this low created, right? Or we could say that this one created this and they created this low, but this low went a little bit above it and then came down a little bit and then took it over, right? So you could say the trend is looks like it's changing, but the market is what? Going sideways. So it comes down here again, which is what? Lower than this place. You see? It's lower. It's lower than this place. Now let's see what this high will do. So the market keeps on and then push above this high. So now we have a total change of the market direction. And then keep on pushing upwards. then in that way. So let's see. So when you look at this place, market came down, came high. This high is almost the same as this place, but it came down and then took over this place. So we could see there's a change right here. Mm. So this is what we call the change of market structure, market structure shift or change of character. The market went all the way, came down, and then took over again. So we have a new move going up, and then the new high being created. So let me use a new distance. So we have this creating a new low now. Let me keep on playing the market. Let's see what happens. So it started moving. It was coming down, but let's see whether it will reverse. So it came down. The cat start pushing up. We want to see it going above this high. That's what you want to see for the uptrend to continue. So it keep on moving, 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 moving. Now it's pricing is trying to push over, keep on moving. Came a little bit close to it and they started moving down, down. But we want to see whether this low will be violated. No, it just came a little bit high, came down, went up. Let's see whether it take this high. Now you see it took it, so we now mark this place as our low and then this place as our new high. The market started going down again. Now we want to see whether it's going to create a new higher or it's going to take over this low. Now it starts going back up again. It came all the way down here, started going up. Let's whether it to take over this high. Now here we go. It is what? Taking over what? This high. It did close above it, close above it. So we have this low creating what? This new high. So we have this new high created. The market started going down. Let's see whether it will take over this low or it's going to go back and take over this high. It started going up. Now it has taken over. So I'm going to mark it. Let me try to bring my chart down so you can see it clearly. So it looks like it went a little bit above this area. All right, it went a little bit above it, but it didn't really create, it didn't close above it. It just went a little bit into it and then came down. So let's see whether this low will be violated. My focus will be on this low. Let's see what happens. Now it's pushing upper, higher, but it comes down again. So the market is now just going sideways for the meantime. We have not seen any clear new high being created or any new low being created.
So when it's moving like this,
Mm-hmm.
it has the last time you mentioned a name for it.
Name
When it's
as in.
moving in this,
Now look at
you
something.
mentioned
the low here, I don't really get your question. The low here has been taken now, okay, creating a new low. So this low has been violated. So we have this market going a little bit above, taking liquidity here. I'll teach you what liquidity is, and then it came down. So the market structure has what really changed here. So this is what we call the change of what character. So the market has shifted from what a high to a low now, right? Then keep on pressing down. Keep on pressing down. Came all the way to the low here. Right, so I can mark it this way. So it created this change of character came here, and then I can continue to mark my high and low. So it created this high, came down. Let me check, came down here, created this high, came down all the way here. So you see how the market is moving? That is how it moves. So it keep on moving that in that order all the time. Pressing down. So we have, I could choose this, creating this one, then this small move, this one creating this low. All right. So we have the same thing happening here. Created this high, came down, but this low created a high which is higher than this one. So there's a change of character right here. The market comes down a little bit. Let's see whether this one is going to go over above this. It comes down a little bit, but it hasn't taken this low yet. So let's see what happens. Now the market comes down and then goes above this one, creating a new higher high. But let's see clearly whether this movement is going to take over this low or it's still going to go upper. Now it goes higher, right? So it got at this high. So what is happening here? So in this case, we have another change of character right here, or shift in market structure. So now we are having this down move, this crazy what? This high. Now you see how we mark the chart? What do you see? The market is changing its course from up move to down move to up move and then back to down move and then back to up move. That is how it moves. So we have a change of character, the market to change course, change of character, market to change course, change of character, market to change course. And all the time, you see that there's a broken in what? There's a break of structure. So there's a market structure shift from one direction to another direction. Right. So we have this move changing to an up move, changing to what? A down move, and then back to an up move. Right. That is how it is. This is how the market behaves all the time, every time. This is how it behaves. So that will be it for today's section. Any question before we end? Any question?
No, 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 please.
Madam Grace, are you still with us?
When I get up, then I will communicate with you.
You said?
When I'm giving you, they're giving you feedback, so
Okay. So,
understand everything clearly.
okay. All right then. So we'll end today's section. Tomorrow we'll continue at the same time.